Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Today I have quite the video for you guys, and let me show you why. So first things first, select over here, and yeah, we are inside of Figma, if you could not tell. So also, you can use Figma completely for free, at least with a maximum capacity of 3 projects. So you guys can all follow along here without having to, make a purchase. Use your frame tool. We're going to click on, let's go for slide 16:9 right here. As you can see, we're going to call this health bar. Okay, here is what we are going to be making today. As you can see, I chose this specifically because I don't think it's too complex, and we can definitely pull something like this off inside of Figma and of course into Roblox. I am going to walk you guys through step by step. We're going to learn how to make some Roblox UI using Figma. So first things first, let's begin using the rectangle tool. We're going to make this avatar frame thing. Okay, let's start anywhere. We're going to hold shift and alt as we drag to make our square shape, and then we're going to go over here, hold shift and rotate. So now we have a 45 degree rotated square like so. I'm going to match the size, and now we're going to go fill. I'm going to go for a gradient by clicking on the second option, and let's just go ahead and choose our colors right here. As you can see, very simple. Now here we have this, which is looking pretty good so far. Now inside of Figma, we don't have the bevel and emboss feature that we have inside of Photoshop. Make a copy of our rectangle. Okay, Control D to copy. We go for the color, let's say red for example. Okay, then I'm going to copy again, choose a different color. Actually, I will make this blue, and for the red on top, we're going to move this down just like so. The blue is what we're going to have right here. Okay, so click on the red, hold control, click on the blue shape, and go up here to more actions, subtract, like so. And now you guys can see we have a nice outline shape, just like so. I mean, if you ask me, that's pretty cool. Now we can color our shape accordingly. So let's go for a lighter color, and there you guys can see that looks beautiful. The same process, we can copy our shape. Let's make a red and also a blue variant, and for the red we're gonna go 134. So like up here is fine. Select on the blue and go subtract. As you can see, looking pretty good so far. I think actually I'm going to make this slightly thicker, so move this up. Pretty good. And now let's make our inside shape. Okay, let's copy our rectangle. We're gonna hold shift and alt to make this smaller. Going to start with the basic gradient right here, and we can rotate our gradient back to 0, as you can see. Okay, pretty cool. And now let's copy our rectangle. Below, I'm going to enlarge rather. I'm trying to figure out how I want to make this thing. So I'm gonna go for this color first of all, so I could actually see what's happening. If you want design resources for your own game projects, check out gfxcomment.com. We have stuff that might interest you. Check it out, and I hope you guys enjoy. this video. And then I'm going to, let's put this on top, copy the color. I'm gonna go for a stroke instead. Change the color, make this like 15, we'll say. So we have this, okay? Is 15 enough? Or 20, perhaps? Let's try 20 right here. I think. Let me go for 15, I guess. Yeah, it's fine. So we have this. If we make a copy, right? And then we go, let's say, go red so we can see. And then we go like inside, like that, you know, half like that. Make a copy of this, and we go subtract, and we go subtract. Here, now we have like this inside shape, which we can basically adjust the angle, and we go for I see top now. Let's go for bright. Make sure these are good. Okay, and then basically like here, shadow, and then we go back to here. Let's go for a shadow, and there we go. Perfect. Yeah, looks really good. Now we can add, let's say, let's copy this, make it larger. Let me go for a simple color. This is pretty good. Yeah, that's fine. Yep, that should be fine for us. And this is what we have so far, as you can see. Now we're going to repeat the same steps to create this thing. So I'm gonna go try to speed this part up. Actually, I like this look a lot more. So I'm sorry, but I am going to go for this one right here, because this looks kind of weird, honestly. So here we have it. Let's go for fill. Stroke is off, and then let's go here. Okay. Now, let's go change the color, obviously, and we will. Okay, make a copy, resize, gradient, change the gradient angle. We go for a red up here, and then down here. Okay, resize and make this fit our shape here. So here we go, just like so. And we can fix this angle. If we go double click, move the points, as you can see. Very nice, very nice. I like that. We can make a gradient for this too, I guess. This will go Control G to make a group right behind our other items, like so. So now you guys can see we have a very nice looking, although quite basic, design. Health bar. Let me change the background color. There we go. That looks so much better. Yeah, this is our basic design. Now, how can we export all this stuff with all these layers into Studio? Let's make a group first of all, and Control D to copy so we have a backup. Now we're going to start by converting everything to white. Okay, so for example, let me think. Let me hide this, this, and this. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first rectangle. We're going to make this completely white. Okay, we're gonna hide these two, and we're gonna go export right here, and we're gonna go export rectangle 1, or we're going to name this our health dash avatar base or main, I guess. Okay, let's go export, and now you should basically have an export that looks like this right here. We have the highlight. Okay, we're gonna make this white as well. We're gonna go health avatar highlight like so. We're gonna go export PNG. Repeat for the shadow. So health avatar shadow. Make the color white. Boom, like so. So now we have the main parts. Let's go undo so I could see the colors. So let's start with the I guess like health avatar inner, I guess. We go exports, undo. Okay, here we have the I think here. Let's go. Okay, this goes over. I see. Let's make this white. Okay, this is the outer portion. So avatar ring upper, I'm gonna call it upper. Export this right here. Okay. You can barely see it, but yeah, it's this thing. Let's go color, white. I'm gonna go for export. Avatar ring lower. Yeah. Lastly, we have the stroke. So let's make this white. Avatar ring stroke. Avatar portion, I think we are good to go. And now lastly, we have this, which is quite simple. So we're gonna go for color whites. We're gonna go close our avatar, no, health dash health bar background, and lastly we have the actual health bar. So I'm gonna go this, and then we're gonna call it health dash health bar export. So we have all of our assets, or at least we should. Hey guys, here we are inside of Roblox Studio. Now the first step is to go up to view right here, click on asset manager. You will need to save your project. Alright, so here we're going to upload all of our assets, and we're going to rebuild our UI basically. So here we are. Yeah, let's start with a screen GUI. We're going to add a frame. We're going to make a canvas, and I will go fit parent and set anchor. This is basically meaning I'm going for anchor point 0.5 and 0.5, and then position scale 0.5, 0.5, and size is 1, 0. So you can see how slow this is. Like right here, I just go boom, boom, you know. And you can take off the background by going remove or background transparency 1, or we can keep it and go for a background color, as you can see. So we're going to make a frame. This will be our, let's call it our main. So anchor 0.5, 0.5, position 0.5, 0.5. If you recall the size, we're going to use offset 1032 by it was 320. So we're going to go background color. Let's go red, and 0.9 for the transparency. We're going to make a frame. I'm gonna go anchor. We're gonna call this our avatar, and we're gonna go. Okay, so if we check our export file, the avatar main is 320 by 320. as you can see, pretty good. Let's go ahead, change the color and the transparency value. So we have this, and I think the first thing is to add image, right? We go anchor and fit because we're gonna add the avatar main. So copy. Let's go paste. We're gonna go background transparency 1, like so. Let's call this our main, as you can see. Okay, so if we take a look right here, the next step for us is to add our highlight and shadow layers right here to make this bevel effect. I also want to add I want to add a stroke, okay, like this. So yeah, I think it looks good like that, right? We're gonna have to modify our size a little bit, but it's okay. Color, white, export, avatar stroke, and then we have health stroke right here. Actually, that sounds kind of weird. Health stroke. Okay, let's go with health background. Our main, let's go for 332 as well. Avatar, let's go bump this up. Boom. There we go. All good. So this, instead of main, let's go avatar stroke, copy, and paste. Alright, and then we go paste, just like so. Pretty good. Let's copy, Control C, Control Shift V to paste inside. Let's call this our stroke. This will be our, I'm gonna say, like this part, like the base, I guess. So let's call it base. The size is obviously like, let's go offset 320 by 320, like so. And then we're going to choose our color here. No, not there. Oops. It is this layer. This color, and paste. As you can see, let's go view. No, test, device, desktop, and actual res. So we can see. Okay, cool. Inside of base, we're gonna go add image. Right? Okay, we're gonna go for highlight. Okay. Let's go anchor. Let's go highlight, copy, paste ID 320 by 164. As you can see, background off. So bring it up here, and then we can copy the color right over here. So color, and then paste. And of course, the same step for the shadow, which I think is the same size, or should be. So I'm just going to copy, call it shadow, bring this down, go for the color, this thing, boom, and paste right here. Okay, as you guys can see, here is how it is looking. And now we're going to get started with our inside shapes. Alright, so I'm going to rename stroke into main because stroke sounds silly. And inside of here, let's add image. We're gonna go for our inner. Okay, let's go anchor, and so let's go 244 by 244, background off, and then ring stroke, copy and paste. Okay, the same process. Let's go grab the color. I think it's the same color, so Let's go paste right here. Boom. Okay. Anyways, the next step is to I want to say, let's go add the this gray part, right? Can I please click on this thing? Okay, so here it is. Let's go add image. Let's call it I don't know, main again. I'm out of ideas, guys. 194 anchor, background off, avatar inner, copy and paste. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's go for the gradient color. First color, boom. Let's go add UI gradient like so. First color and paste. Okay, change the angle 90. Yep. Okay, so inside of inner, we're going to add image. I'm going to go for our border like so. Anchor 234. Boom, background off. Let's go for ring. I think lower, right? Yeah. Copy and paste. Okay, nice. Lower is here, rectangle 3. Ring lower. Okay. The colors are right here, and we have our first color. Boom. Let's go paste and change the angle 90. Oops. Okay. Next, inside of border, we're gonna add our bevel shape, which is the upper. So copy. Let's go paste. Anchor. So 234. Boom. Background off. Here is the upper. The colors are like reversed, I think. So negative 90. Yep. I mean, are you not impressed? Anyways, let's keep going. Alright, so now we have our avatar main, and inside of here, now we're going to move our avatar to the left side. So let's go with anchor point x 0, position x 0. Okay, now we're going to make our actual health bar. So inside of main, let's go for a frame. Okay, let's go 788 by 107. As you can see, let's go health background, copy. Let's go paste. No, background off first. Scale is our health. We're going to add image main, anchor it and fit, background off, and paste it here. Okay, so let's go move our health bar here. It should be behind like this. Okay, let's go cut our avatar and paste it back and paste it back. Okay, so main, I think the color is the same as over here. There we go. Let's go take off the avatar background like that. Alright, all good. Now inside of health, let's go add our let's see, I think it's our border anchor. So 762 by 96, and then background off. Let's go for health bar back, copy ID, and then paste this color as well. It is the same color. No, it's not. Okay, we're gonna add a color stop. Go for a brighter shade. Lastly, we're going to add our actual bar. So call it bar, health bar, copy and paste like so. 7 31 by 78, like so. Anchor and background off. We're gonna go for a gradient again, and as you guys can see, here is our UI. We're gonna make sure all these are scaled, so you can see it's all currently using offset. I'm gonna go scale, 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 scale right here, boom, scale every single thing. And now basically background off. You can see it is all proper in scale, well, except for the aspect ratio. So okay, inside of avatar you're gonna add a UI aspect ratio constraint with 1. So now you can see it is working just like so. And here it is, our finished result. Now, I love making these videos, but if you guys enjoy content like this, check out our Design Academy, because here I'm going to be adding a lot of premium tutorials. If you guys are interested at all, go ahead and check it out, as well as all of these other design assets that we have. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.